Welcome to the Justin Blake channel.
Yes, really. As you can see, we have papaya, apple, mango, and we have a grape also, we have raspberry and so forth, kiwi. You know what I mean? We have a great jelly water, same here.
Time and patience, best in the street right now. Yeah, straight brown bread, the best one town this year. Yeah, we have a white one finished and done on.
Everything we have slippers, we have nice cologne. Look at Arizona, them I come from. When I come from Miami, Florida. I want them. Them are the girls I'm wearing on the street. Then, you see them here at the East Miyaki, them $100 for one, $100. Hottest style we have in the movie. Everything for them.
Oh God, man.
Yeah, parade, fire us. At the Dap Elegant store this now, we say the latest of the latest.
You deaf?
Mobile where there? Mobile we say. Up, see that? Boba, show me. We are loan up in the movie.
We no refund money, we exchange. Original thing we are give you. Straight up. I pick, choose and refuse anything. And we have the brand slippers.
Isn't it? That's a silver you want.
This one, you if you see. Not this now. Venga, win 5, get 5 get told. Yo, Justin Blake, big up yourself.
A night like this in a Montego Bay. Wanna spend some time. Can't take the bag again, come on, the whole night. Alright, hello. You don't want to be a star, come inside. I eat one. Yeah man, a shellings, you see me? A we name White Line, you see me? A we open the road and a we close it.
Yo, make sure you like, share, and leave a comment.
Subscribe.
Straight.
Wait.